Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Sherilyn Hoffman. Today I'm going to be sharing with you our entrance transformation. This entrance transformation has taken almost a year, but I really want to show you how it's looking right now. So this is a really long entrance, and I'm showing you how to use Ikea Billy bookcases. I'm also showing you a good example for a YouTube backdrop. And I'm also showing you how you can make your own marquee letters. Super good deal, especially since they sell for over $100 on Amazon. So if you have a Cricut and you have a laminator, then this video is for you on how to make your own marquee letters. So stay tuned, watch till the end, see our awesome transformation of our Ikea hallway entrance and our brand new YouTube backdrop. So check it out, and I hope you enjoy this channel. Have a great day. Okay, so we have this huge hallway, and we are going, and it has, it's framed out here and down here. And so what we're gonna do is we are gonna put these brimless cabinets from Ikea all the way down to this section. And then we're going to paint or shiplap or beadboard up above it. And this is where we're going to hang our family photos. So these brimnesses will offer more storage, which I need because I have too much stuff in my office. And so this will be easy access to me because my office is just right here on this side. So you can see all of these boxes that I cannot unload into these cabinets or into this desk or into these Billy bookcases. These are already, everything is already full. So I'm gonna need some more storage, and that's why we're putting it right here. So I changed my mind. I did not use the brimless cabinets. They were too deep for this narrow hallway. So I decided to use more Billy bookcases, and I got more doors for each of the bookcases. And so I found the perfect amount that I needed to fit this hallway exactly. It's going to look custom as soon as we are done painting. We're going to make sure that we have Billy book piece extenders that go to the top and then add crayon molding around it. And so we will keep this furniture here when we sell the home. It will be very custom looking. These are just different views to see what it looks like. My goal is to create a YouTube backdrop because this is where I want Ethan and I to do a lot of our YouTube. I already have a YouTube channel for real estate information, and it also talks about Babcock Ranch and how to help buyers and sellers and realtors and investors get into real estate. It shows lots of before and after pictures and model home tours. And it's called Sherilyn Hoffman, but we also are transitioning our name to the Hoffman Home Group for anything that's real estate related. So that is why I have cut out the Hoffman Home Group for my marquee letters. A second YouTube channel that we're interested in creating next year is called Hoffman Happenings, and it's going to be all about our family travels, how we homeschool, what we like to cook, and how we're helping our children start their own home businesses. Today we're getting ready to paint the hallway. We've moved all the furniture away from the walls, taken off all the outlet covers, and taped all the baseboards and ceiling area. So all this is going to be painted from floor to ceiling all the way down here. You can see where all the tape is around the door. So we've got that all prepped, and now we'll just go ahead and start painting. I'll keep you posted. Here's how it looks after it is all painted. My inspiration for my YouTube backdrop is this shelf where I can go ahead and add different phrases and quotes and marquee letters. So I went ahead and spray painted these black shelves white, and this is what I'm going to hang my marquee letters on. I really wanted to hang up some shiplap on this wall and then hang my marquee shelves and marquee letters on top of the shiplap, but we just didn't find the right time or skill to be able to put up shiplap. So the compromise was to add this vinyl adhesive that looks like wood. Unfortunately, after adding the vinyl adhesive, I decided that it just didn't look like wood enough. The color of the actual product was much darker than what they had online on Amazon. So we decided to take it completely down. Here's how I'm making my marquee letters. I'm just cutting them out on my Cricut with thick white cardstock. I'm just making sure I picked out my font and the sizes that I want. And then it's going to go ahead and cut it. After it is done on the Cricut, I am transferring it over. After I'm done cutting it on the Cricut, I weed out the vinyl and I take the letters that I want and I stick them inside of a laminate sheet. And I'm measuring the distance between the letters and the edges of the laminate sheet that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that laminate sheet with the letters into my laminator. And here it goes through my laminator. I have to hold it at the end and pull it out a little bit so it won't get super hot and wrinkle the edges. So here's how it looks like once it's gone through the laminator. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut them on my cutting board. So here's a reminder of the before. And then here we are trying to decide how many shelves we want, if we want 2 shelves or 3 shelves tall. And here is the final outcome. I really like how it turned out. Even though I didn't get that shiplap look that I wanted, I still really like the contrast between the paint color and the cabinetry. We aren't quite done yet. We still have to add the extender pieces to the top. And then my letterboard I can switch out with different quotes or different topics for each video. And I just really like how it turned out. There were so many different ideas that I was toying with that it took us a really long time to finally decide how we wanted to do this YouTube backdrop. Obviously, as you can see, I ended up not putting my marquee letters on the shelves. Instead, I just hung them up on a with some wooden clothespins from Dollar Tree and some string from Dollar Tree, and it worked out really good. I also decided only to do 1 shelf instead of 2 or 3 shelves. I just figured that whatever pictures we have on this shelf would probably be too tall, and so there wouldn't be enough room for a second shelf. Here's how the Billy bookcases look, all decorated. I went ahead and added some personal touches and some holiday decor. I really wanted to have a board and batten hallway, and here was my inspiration for that. But again, Ethan just didn't think that he had the skill level or the time to do that. So we compromised and we did this paint color. I really wanted a blue paint color, but he wanted more of a gray. So we picked out this blue grayish paint from Sherwin-Williams. And again, this was our compromise. I really like how my entrance turned out also. Again, this little bench is from Ikea. I added the feet to it, and I like how I was able to put pillows there, and then the mirror and the candle sticks on each side of the mirror. And then on the other side, I have our shoe storage and another little shelf for other pieces of decor. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. It took a really long time. And again, we're still not quite done with it yet because we still have to add the crown molding as soon as we get our extender pieces. And I'm just having fun with it. And I really like my blue runner. Let me know what you think in the comments below.